Hello, welcome to the Markets of Sunshine Sunday Share. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you the finished project that we had talked about in the last video, which was our fabric basket. So let me bring it over and show you how adorable and how cute this turned out. Each panel is different, so you get to showcase your slow stitching skills on each of these panels. And the one that says Paris is the one that is one of my favorites. The second favorite is this one with my flower, and if you see how I layered that, it really turned out cute. And then this one was with the bird. So this was from the purple bird and floral kit. And then this one was just something that I came up with that I really like. I love how that turned out as well. I made a cluster here, put a button, and then this is with purple, and then the green button, and then the whole green, and then a little bit of beige with the purple Eiffel Tower. So really, really cute. So in the next one, what I thought would be something that would be really cute is to put a little pocket on the front of each of the panels, or at least on maybe the front panel. Wouldn't that be cute? And then you see this little is a charm that's hanging off of the journal that I put in here. And I love the look of that as well. I thought that was so cute. That's an added cute little touch. So you could take a bulb pen, make a little journal like this, and then just hang it anywhere that you wanted to on the basket. But look at how cute that is, you know, and then if you have a sentiment on there that is something that's inspirational to you, motivational. I have a little teapot, and then it just says handmade for you, or handmade with love is what the little charm says. And then the bottom, I continued that purple polka dot that I did on the inside. So again, you know, once you fill it, it doesn't matter what you put on the inside. It could be the busiest fabric that you have, and it's okay because you're not going to see it. It's going to be all on the inside. So let me give you a closer close-up, and I will empty the contents and then show you how it turned out. It's so adorable. Okay, so here is the finished little basket. So each one of the panels I did slow stitching on. As you can see, each one is different. Each one is so cute. Love it. And it actually is a bigger size than I realized. And look at what I can fit in here. I had this little bag that I kept my markers in, highlighters and pens, and this thing was constantly falling over and flipping and flopping and all over the place. So then I said, wait a minute, I think it can fit in here. And then my little journals, some note cards that I've made, and now this sits on the end table right beside my couch. Isn't that wonderful? So here's the inside. I did it with the purple polka dot. I think that turned out really cute. Very easy to assemble. Was not hard at all. I just used a whip stitch to join each panel together. And then the same thing to put the bottom on. You can see my stitches right there. And I turned it inside out when I did this. It didn't catch that last seam on there. I didn't notice that. But anyway, that's going to be on the bottom, so that's no big deal. But on the inside, you see a little bit of the seams, which is natural. Okay. I like it. I think it's just wonderful. It worked, turned out perfectly. And then, as you can see, it holds my journals, my little note cards in here perfectly and organized. So nice. on my night end table. But just think of how cute that would be in any room, on any shelf, a gift that you could fill and give to someone. And I'm thinking on my next one, because I'm going to make these in different sizes, and I want to show you that wall shelf I was talking about. Okay, so here's the wall shelf, and these are 4 inches, and you can see that they're quite long, so it's probably, I'm probably thinking like maybe 18 inches. So I'm going to make enough little baskets. 4 inches will be the next size, which I'll probably make them because of this one rail right here. So I'm thinking I might go with a 3.5. I'll try that size first, put one on there and see if it stays. Now this is the back of it. So let me turn it around. Look at how cute that is. So it has the little rails in the front. Okay, so this will be against the wall, so the wall that will prevent it from them falling off, and then easily in the front to access each one. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 9 little baskets that I will make, and I'll measure this width here between each of the little rungs, between each section, the end piece, and then maybe to be like maybe 3 inches depth, and then maybe it will be, it might be like 5 inches, 4 inches. Let me see. Okay, so measuring it is 5 inches across, so I need to make the basket probably 4 inches. So a 3x4 basket is what I'm going to, actually they're going to be rectangular shape, but look, the little hearts, and then on top I could put something on top, which will probably be little figurines or some other little collectibles that I have. So here we go with our next project. We'll be making the baskets in a smaller size. So thanks for joining me. Stay safe, keep creating in the sunshine, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Now, before you go, I just wanted to ask you to do me a favor. If this video has inspired you or unlocked your creativity, which is what my channel is all about, then could you please give it a thumbs up, share the video. I would love to have you join my creative community by subscribing, and leave me a comment and let me know what has inspired you from the video, and just get to know each other a little better and just have a connection, you know, instead of me just talking all the time. I really would love to have it be a two-way conversation. So thank you so much, and I really appreciate it, and I look forward to reading your comments. Have a great day.